today we are going to make plastic fingerboard. You might have seen the wooden ones and the paper ones, but today we are going to make the plastic fingerboard. Okay guys, before getting started, we can just see the materials needed. Okay guys, let's start our DIY. Now we want to draw the shape of our fingerboard in the plastic. Okay guys, after drawing the shape of your fingerboard, now you want to cut it. I think your fingerboard might be like this. Now we want to fold in the end to make our clips for the fingerboard. Okay guys, after making our clips, it might be like this. Now we want to lightly bend in the middle. Now we will get the shape of our fingerboard. After this, we want to customize our fingerboard. For that we need papers. Okay guys, now we want to draw the shape of the fingerboard and customize the paper. Okay guys, I have drawn the shape of the fingerboard. Now I have to customize the paper. Okay guys, I have customized the paper. Now we want to cut the shape and paste it in the fingerboard. Now I have to cut it. Okay guys, I have cutted the paper. Now we have to fix this in the board. But before fixing in the board, we have to do one thing. Because we have to put the Fevikwik and stick it. So the Fevikwik may spread in the paper. So we have to tape this. Okay guys, I have took the tape and I am going to stick this. Okay, after this again we have to do in the another side also. Okay guys, I have taped on both sides. Now we want to cut it. Extra tape. Okay guys, now I have finished cutting the extra tapes. Now we want to fix it in the fingerboard. Okay guys, I am using Fevikwik to fix the paper in the fingerboard. Be careful while using Fevikwik. Now I am going to stick the paper. Okay guys, after fixing the paper, you have to again put Fevikwik for fixing hard. Okay guys, after fixing the paper in the fingerboard, sometimes it may remove and come. So we have to tape it. For the middle you have to use the big tip, and for the clips you have to use the small tip. Okay guys, I have taped the fingerboard. Now it won't remove. I will check it. Yes, it's working nice. Now we want to fix wheels, but I'm not having any wheels, so I'm using pencil stumps. For cutting the pencil stumps, I'm using the handsaw to cut it. I have finished cutting one pencil stump, and again the same size you have to cut the next one. Okay guys, now we are having two pencil stumps for the wheels. Now we want to lightly cut here so that it will be flat. If you are not able to cut it, you can sand with the sandpaper. Okay guys, after sanding, it might be like this. Now we want to stick this in the fingerboard. Okay guys, before fixing the wheels in the fingerboard, you have to keep a paper at the bottom so that the wheels would not come out easily. Now we want to fix the wheels in our fingerboard. Take the flat side and fix it. We have fixed one wheel. Press it tightly to fix. It has been fixed, and next wheel we have to fix it. Take the flat side and fix it. Now put the Fevikwik in the side so that it won't come out. If you want, you can glue guns also here, but I am using Fevikwik only. Now our fingerboard is ready. Okay guys, and finally our fingerboard is ready. Now it's time for testing. Okay guys, and finally we finished making our fingerboard. Now it's time for testing. Yes, it's working nice. This is very smooth. It's working nice without wheels. Yes, it's working nice. And these are the two fingerboards which I made earlier. Let's check this also. Yes, these fingerboards are working nice. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.